Hello and welcome to On the Fast Track, a podcast where we speak to Let's Enterprise students, all past, present and future. I am your host Jagrati Jetwani, an alumna from 2021. So today we have with us Adi and Idris, who are a part of the third cohort of the Let's Enterprise hands-on BBA degree. Welcome guys.
Thank you.
I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I graduated from Enterprise in 2021 and today I'm working on my family business, Group Indian, which is a traditional trading business based out in Pune. Apart from that, I'm the founder of Asanjo, a Sindhi-only networking youth community. And I have a couple of questions to ask you because I'm really curious on so many things about this journey that you're about to embark. Let's start with a quick introduction. Adi, you can go first.
Sure. My name is Adi and I'm 19 years old and I love cars and bikes.
Cars and bikes. Yeah. Oh wow. I look forward to learning something from you.
For sure.
And Idris?
My name is Idris. I am 18 years old and I love driving.
You love driving? So I'm looking forward to y'all becoming friends in the future too. Somebody loves cars, somebody loves driving. Super. Y'all are both from Pune. Tell me your favorite spot in the city.
I like Korega Park, Lane 6.
What do you love in Lane 6?
Momo's Corner and Huber and Ollie.
That's my favorite ice cream too. I love that. And Idris, what about you?
My favorite spot is my house because of the view. I just love the view.
Wow, so you'll be hosting the gang at your place very often, I'm guessing.
Sure.
For work projects only.
Yeah, sure.
Super. And how did you guys get to know about Enterprise?
So my father got to know about Enterprise through Instagram and he had shared it with me. So that's how.
Really? So your dad was on Instagram and he saw an ad for Enterprise?
Yes.
What's the first thing that stood out to him there?
I think he is very much convinced with the practical approach of how things are done at Let's Enterprise. So.
Super. What does your father do?
He's into a VFX business.
He's an entrepreneur himself.
Yes.
So he definitely knows the value of hands-on learning and knowing things practically.
Yes.
So Idris, how did you get to know about Let's Enterprise?
I got to know about Let's Enterprise by my father.
Oh wow.
And a friend of mine who is already with Let's Enterprise.
Do you know their name?
Yeah, his name is Abid Vora.
Oh wow. And what part of Abid's journey stood out to you?
The practical learning, the hands-on learning that stood out to me.
That's interesting. So both of you mentioned practical and hands-on learning, and that's what got you to Enterprise. So tell me a little bit more about what's something that happened to you which made you realize कि नहीं यार regular BBA तो नहीं करना. I want to do something that gives me the practical and hands-on learning.
So earlier on, I was studying filmmaking in Mumbai, and in a filmmaking degree, I was still not being able to do anything practically. I had to push my own limits, and
so practical degree will help you learn the skills you need for the 21st century.
yes.
Perfect. What about you, Idris?
I had a plan. I was going to join a normal college and do a BBA. But then my father introduced me to this. Then I thought that I'll just do something practically which will
help
help
you
me.
get over the edge.
Yeah.
Super. I know practical and hands-on learning is something that drove me to Enterprise too. My sister Khushbu was from the first ever Enterprise India batch, and I saw her work on this project called #Karo, where I saw her build it from ground up with her team, and that was a practical and hands-on learning that I saw. What is one thing that you're looking forward to in this unconventional, different, out-of-the-world degree, the first in India, I believe?
Right. So I look forward to being involved into a lot of businesses, how to speak, how to make your conversation skills better. That's my main thing.
Wow. Networking in its true form.
Networking.
Super. What about you, Idris?
The thing which I am interested in is talk to people, know more about people, want to explore. So that this is going to help me to do that.
Wow. Can I share 2 success stories with you from my batch? My friend Shiv also saw Enterprise in an ad on Instagram in April 2020 when the lockdown had just begun. He was extremely shy when we met him for the first time. In April 2021 when he graduated, you won't believe he was the same guy. His own dad said कि ये क्या हो गया when he worked on 5 projects in that 1 year, extensively large projects. You've got this. Just like Shiv, you've got this. And for you, the startup I was in the founding team of, I met the founder during a networking session hosted by Enterprise only. And then,
That's
of
great.
course, I got to learn so much in that journey. So, networking, and I think the job after that too, I got only because of the networking skills I learned at Enterprise. So, you too
I'm
are on
looking
the
forward to that.
you are on the right path. I love that. I love that. Last question. You're doing an unconventional BBA. You're probably the only one in your entire friend circle, relative circle who's doing this. लोग क्या कहते हैं तुमसे और तुम फिर वापस क्या कहते हो?
I tell them what working BBA is, firstly. Then I guide them through Let's Enterprise, how it works and everything. And why am I doing Let's Enterprise? I want to push the limits. I don't want to be like everyone else.
You want to be the top 1%.
Yes.
Wow, I love that. What about you, Idris?
I told you before, I'm an introvert kind of a person, so I don't talk to people much about what I'm doing. So there are not many people who ask me that, what are you doing and stuff. But the few who ask me, I tell them that everybody's doing one thing. I don't want to follow the herd.
I love that. And you have signed up for Enterprise.
Yes.
You're 100% committed to work with the best of the best, to learn from the best, and you've already completed the first project. Okay, suppose I give you a time machine and you can go back in time to March 2025. What would you tell your younger self, which would help your younger self make the decision to join Let's Enterprise? Adi, you go first.
I would ask my younger self to stop procrastinating.
And join right away.
Yes.
And Idris, what about you?
The thing I had to overcome was my fear of talking to people and just meeting people, talking to people. I'm a shy person, so that was the thing which
I must say, I'm so proud of you because what you're doing today is fantastic. I know it's outside your comfort zone, but you are doing extremely well, Idris. That's fantastic. And I'm very happy you stepped out. Do you want to ask me anything? Because I too am a product of Enterprise.
Sure. Have you learned something from Enterprise that you use on a daily basis now in your real life?
So many things. I don't think I can narrow it down to the top one. I'm going to tell you two.
Okay.
One is networking. Networking is not a real thing. It's connections that truly matter at the end of the day.
I agree.
I've had 2 jobs after Enterprise. Both of them were only possible because instead of networking, I tried to build a connection. I went and spoke to the dean of my university, and instead of just saying, "Hi, I'm Jagrati Jetwani, I'm a student from India," I asked him questions on how I can be in the top 1% on campus.
Right.
He gave me suggestions. I got an email 2 weeks later in my inbox where they said, "We couldn't remember your name. We just knew you were Indian and your name started with J. Took us some time to find you. You need to be a data analyst on campus." Building connections is the most important. And number 2, storytelling. I think this is a skill that we truly need today. Everything that I've been able to make come to life was only via story cells and storytelling, which is something I learned at Enterprise.
That's great to know.
And Idris, do you want to ask me anything?
Have you ever ventured into a startup of your own?
In fact, I have. I actually connected with someone during a networking session hosted by Enterprise that led me to being in the founding team of a D2C brand where we went from 0 to 1 within 6-7 months. Got to work on building a startup right from day one, product to brand to go-to-market strategy to expansion and more product development. That too happened because of Enterprise. Thank you so much for giving me time.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations on successfully finishing project number 1 that started even before your degree started. Kudos to you guys. You all have been a great sport.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having us.
Thank you.